Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Edge key. To begin, ensure you have at least 2 existing, already programmed keys for your vehicle. You will also need the new, unprogrammed key you wish to add. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent any power interruptions during the process. This method is straightforward and quick. Now, let's get your vehicle ready. Insert one of your already programmed keys into the ignition. Quickly turn the ignition from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times. You must complete this entire sequence within 10 seconds, ensuring the 8th turn ends in the RUN position. The vehicle's door locks will cycle, confirming you have successfully entered programming mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, it's time to add your keys. Within 10 seconds, press any button on your first programmed key. The door locks will cycle to confirm it's registered. Immediately repeat this step with your second programmed key, pressing any button within 10 seconds. Finally, take your new, unprogrammed key and press any button on it within 10 seconds. The locks will cycle again. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position. The door locks will cycle one final time, indicating the programming sequence is complete. Now, it's crucial to test all your keys, including the newly programmed one. Verify that both the remote lock and unlock functions work correctly, and that each key can successfully start your vehicle. Congratulations, you've programmed your key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.